fire rattles, throws lightning. Where is my Olympus? What is the strange age? But drones fly silently back. A new man rules the world. Dionysus walks along the night cafes and sees people drown in smartphones. Where are the songs, the wine? Where is the joy in your soul? You live in the shadows like slaves in a dungeon. Ares came to the gym with a sword. He wanted to show that war is power. But the guys in the gym in gym shorts, on the bar, old man, show me something. Jailer at the wedding, at the registry office shouts, your unions are as fragile as ice. Where's the loyalty? Where's the passion I gave you? Love is a bargain, and life is a sham. And the gods stood at the edge of time, looking at their descendants with sorrow and pain. We were your spirit, but now we're just a symbol. Remember us, people, just once in a while. That's how ancient gods' friends met the logic of the new day. Some are laughing and some are in tears. It would be better to stay on the clouds.